Welcome back to the IS Companion. Operant conditioning, also known as instrumental conditioning, is a method of learning that employs rewards and punishments for behavior. This concept was pioneered by B.F. Skinner and draws its strength from the law of effect proposed by Edward Thorndike. In this lecture, we will delve into the principles, experiments, and types of operant conditioning, explaining how behaviors are learned and modified through reinforcement and punishment. Principles of operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is based on the idea that behaviors followed by favorable consequences are more likely to be repeated, while those followed by unfavorable consequences are less likely to be repeated. It involves the following key components: operant response, a behavior that an organism performs that has some effect on the environment. Reinforcement, any event that strengthens or increases the likelihood of a behavior. Positive reinforcement, adding a favorable consequence to increase a behavior, example, giving a child candy for doing homework. Negative reinforcement, removing an unfavorable consequence to increase a behavior, example, taking away chores when a child gets good grades. Punishment, any event that weakens or decreases the likelihood of a behavior. Positive punishment, adding an unfavorable consequence to decrease a behavior, example, giving extra chores for bad behavior. Negative punishment, removing a favorable consequence to decrease a behavior, example, taking away a favorite toy for misbehavior. Skinner's contribution. B.F. Skinner developed the concept of operant conditioning through his experiments with the Skinner box. This apparatus allowed him to study the principles of reinforcement in a controlled environment without disrupting the experimental continuity. Skinner box, a chamber equipped with a lever or another operant response mechanism that an animal could manipulate to obtain a reward, such as food, or avoid a punishment, such as a shock. Thorndike's contribution. Edward Thorndike's law of effect laid the groundwork for operant conditioning by establishing that behaviors followed by satisfying consequences are more likely to recur, while those followed by discomfort are less likely to be repeated. Thorndike's experiment. He placed a hungry cat in a puzzle box with food outside. The cat had to figure out how to escape to get the food. Over time, the cat learned to escape more quickly, demonstrating that behaviors with favorable outcomes are strengthened. Types of reinforcement. 1. Primary reinforcement satisfies a biological need, example, food, water. 2. Secondary reinforcement associated with primary reinforces, example, money, praise. Types of operant conditioning. 1. Reward conditioning. Reinforcing a behavior with a reward, positive reinforcement. Example, giving a dog a treat for sitting on command. 2. Discrimination training, discriminative operant conditioning teaching an organism to respond only in the presence of a specific stimulus. Example, a rat learns to press a lever only when a light is on. 3. Escape training, learning to perform a behavior to terminate an ongoing, unpleasant stimulus, negative reinforcement. Example, a rat learns to press a lever to stop an electric shock. 4. Avoidance learning, learning to perform a behavior to prevent an unpleasant stimulus. Example, a person learns to take a different route to avoid traffic. 5. Punishment training, using punishment to decrease a behavior. Example, scolding a child for running into the street. 6. Omission training, decreasing a behavior by removing a positive stimulus. Example, not allowing a child to watch TV because they didn't do their homework. 7. Discriminated omission training, removing a positive stimulus based on the presence of a specific stimulus. Example, not giving a treat when a dog barks while performing a trick. 8. Discriminative punishment training, applying punishment based on a specific stimulus. Example, scolding a child only when they misbehave in a specific room. Conclusion: operant conditioning is a powerful method of learning that highlights the importance of consequences in shaping behavior. Through reinforcement and punishment, behaviors can be increased, decreased, or modified, making this approach highly applicable in various settings, from education to behavior therapy. Understanding the principles and applications of operant conditioning allows us to effectively influence and understand behavior in both humans and animals. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.